When we create a truth table, there's going to be times when we know the answer has to be a 0, and we're going to know when the answer has to be a 1. And there's going to be times where, from the specifications that were given, it's not a clear-cut decision if the answer should be 0 or the answer should be 1. Well, then that could be that we can have an output as a don't care. That's what we're going to be looking at. Okay, so let's kind of give some a context to what a don't care could be. Let's say we have a 3-bit number, A, B, and C. Those are the 3 letters that we're using to make up this number. We're going to say a 3-bit number is an output Z is equal to 1 if the number is 0, 1, or 2. Z is equal to 0 if the number is 4, 5, or 6. Okay, so that gives us our context. Okay, so let's make a truth table. It's A, B, C. Here's my Z. So I have my 8 combinations of A, B, and C. And we have some context to here. Here I said it has to be 0 if it's 4, 5, or 6. So let's write down the decimal numbers on the side so we know which ones we're dealing with. So if it's 4, 5, or 6, I know it's 0. It's a 1 if it's 0, 1, or 2. All right, but then what happens for 3 and 7? What results are we going to want for 3 and 7? Well, in here, we do not know if the result should be 0 or 1. So what we can say is if we don't know what it should be, we don't care about the result. Likely, number 3 and 7 never occur. If they were to have occurred, we probably would have given information about what they should evaluate to. So what don't care is we're going to use an X to say don't care. So don't care is an X. All right, so what is this going to mean if we're going to write an expression out? When I write the expression out, I need to kind of tell about these don't cares. So I can say Z is the summation of little m's. I'm going to do a sum of products. That's 0, 1, and 2. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to it plus summations. I'm going to put D for don't care. It's don't care 3 or 7. So here are midterms equal to 1. And then I have my midterms equal to don't care. Likewise, I could do it as a product of sums, and I could say it's the max terms of 4, 5, and 6 times the don't cares of 3 and 7. So I can always put in these don't care terms. And a lot of times when we start creating problems, we're going to see that, not all the information will be available. Sometimes we expect that those conditions can never happen. The don't cares are going to start playing a big part as we start creating more complex designs.